Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add a payment in FreshBooks. So it's pretty easy. I really like FreshBooks because everything you really want to do inside of FreshBooks is quite easy. So all we have to do is focus on our left sidebar, the blue bar on the left side, and there is payments. I'm running this new fresh account, so I can easily show you how it's all done. So even if you're new into it, it's also intuitive. So all invoice payments, and we're gonna click and add a new payment. So type to add an invoice number, but at the moment we don't have any invoices going on. So first of all, we need to create an invoice, which is really easy. We can drag our photo, for example. We can add the client, and so on and so on. We can we have to obviously fill all the informations always. Add a line name of the item, for example, rocket. Rate is 500. Okay. And we can also add a tax, but let's go with 0% so far and save the invoice itself. And once we have some kind of invoice already going on, so we're gonna add the payment. So it's time to add an invoice. So this one, it's number 00001, and then yeah, we need to pick how we want to pay for it. For example, bank transfer, for example, cash, and that's it. We just created the payment, and it's really easy as that. So that's about it, guys. First of all, you need to have an invoice, and then you can pay for it or pay the invoice. That's about it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.